of this Carrier air conditioner at my friend's house. I know like nothing about it, so I'm gonna get some information right now. Okay, it has a GE fan motor. Okay, this is from 2002. This is just a year older than my grandma's Bryant air conditioner that I caught starting up a while back. Well, not a while back. Really, just like a few days ago. But here's the rusty old disconnect box. Here's this old 2004 bonus set matches. Well, not 2004. I'm guessing 2002. Just like the air conditioner. But it doesn't even say Carrier on it exactly. So I don't know if this is even a Carrier furnace. But yeah, there's the gas burners. So this actually starting up in heat mode. And right next to it is a Rheem Performance heat pump. Not heat pump, water heater. It actually took forever to find the thermostat. It's for some reason right here. And then okay, oh yeah, I forgot it's this way. There's all of that stuff. Apparently we had to change the filter. And you can literally access the batteries from right here. That'll be it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe for more.